Once again, we welcome you to another video of Hello Experts. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the new and improved Apple Watch Ultra, the latest addition to Apple lines of wearable devices. From monitoring your heart rate and sleep patterns to making phone calls and sending messages directly from your wrist, Apple Watch Ultra has it all. With its customizable watch faces, you can make it truly your own, and its durable design means that you can wear it in any situation.
Apple Watch Ultra is an advanced wristwatch with features and upgrades that set it apart from its counterparts, making it suitable for travel, adventure, and extreme sports. If you are having an Apple Ultra watch, you do not need a whistle while hiking. The siren in it could save your life if you are hurt while hiking, become lost, or find yourself in a sticky circumstance. Simply by pressing and holding the Apple Watch Ultra's bright orange action button, you can sound the alarm. This is quite cool because it has potential applications in everyday life, such as preventing assaults or robberies. You'll really enjoy using the waypoints and backtrack functions, even if they now provide more comprehensive information and views on a single screen. The Ultra's GPS data can also be used for new backtrack function. This generates a time-stamped route of all the locations you visit while adventuring off the grid. The Apple Watch Ultra's new dual GPS arrangement has you covered. Whether you're using the aforementioned backtrack function, trekking across a mountain crest, or just looking for more accurate position readings. Since the Apple Watch Ultra has cellular connectivity built in, it can function independently of a phone. You may use your watch while out for a run, send and receive text, look at maps while riding your bike, and do much more. It's fascinating that Ultra may be used at depths of up to 100 meters. With these sensors installed, you can find exactly how deep and hot the water is. Now, new Apple Watch Ultra is submersible to 100 meters. The Ultra is resistant to extreme temperatures and depths, making it ideal for adventures. Apple states that the watch can work in temperatures between -4 degrees and +55 degrees Celsius or 31 degrees Fahrenheit. The Ultra is ready for anything, whether diving into freezing waters or hiking up a mountain in the middle of summer. First, we will discuss how it is made. We believe aluminum alloy sets a new standard, both in the way it performs and the way it looks. For Apple Watch, we start with an alloy of stainless steel known for its strength and corrosion resistance. We then customize it through a series of alloying and processing steps to make it even stronger while in its molten state. This is followed by a specialized cold forging process that helps to make the metal up to 80% harder and less susceptible to nicks and scratches. The forgings are then machined in a 12-station multi-axis milling machine, achieving highly accurate uniformity across the case. It's polished to a pristine mirror finish for the space black stainless steel. An additional diamond-like carbon layer is added to achieve a durable finish and a brilliant appearance. The bands receive the same careful consideration. Each Link's bracelet is made from more than 140 individual parts. The melanized loop is made from the fine steel coils woven together to create a flowing mesh with a fabric-like feel. With stainless steel, we've given a traditional material a new expression. Ultrasonic scanners are used to detect even the most minute defects in the metal. From these solid billets, we machine the watch housing, as well as individual components like the digital crown and the clasps for our straps. Finally, each case is hand-polished to an immaculate sheen by highly skilled workers. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel.